Okay, so we're going to get set for our last project is the gloomies, and they're really easy. This should go really fast, but I just wanted to make sure it's always a good idea to set out all of your materials. So I've got a short string and a long string, or you could use a twisty tie instead of a short string. I've got a bunch of feelings about how I've been feeling lately. I might be bored, a little lonely. My computer makes me crazy. I just feel blah today. Those are the things that we're going to just blow away in the wind. So the first thing that we're going to do is we've got a square of tissue paper, or if you prefer, you can use this elegant art supply. Take 2 squares of toilet paper, just 1, 2, and another 2 on top of it, 1, 2. Inexpensive project as well. I'm going to do one of each. And you're going to do this. You're going to mark a spot in the middle with your marker, and you're going to put a hole through it, just like you did with the other things. Just a little quick hole. It's easy to make one in toilet paper. And a quick little hole right there. And you're going to take your long string and you're going to make a knot. You can tie a knot until it's a big lump, or you can roll it around your finger and roll it off and pull, and then you have a knot. You can do that again until it's a little bigger. There you go. And you're going to put this right through the hole right there, and I'm going to use a pair of scissors to push it through all the way through both sides. Make a big hole. Don't want to make it too big. And we're going to pull that all the way through. Then you're going to decide which things you want to blow away, and maybe you want to put a couple of in there. I don't like wearing a mask, and I miss my friends. I'm going to put them both inside the middle, and I am going to put that little knot around there, and I'm going to wrap this all the way around until I have it all bunched up, and it looks like this. Then I'm going to take that other string, and I'm going to wrap it around his neck, just like that. Wrap it around the other side and tie it in a knot. There we go. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to put maybe a surprise face on him. And there you have it. You have your little gloomy. Chase away your gloom. I'm going to make another one. You can watch me do this one too. I'm going to put boredom and loneliness and just feeling the blahs. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to need another piece of string. I'm going to tie another knot. And we're all set. That's going to go through that little hole that I tore in the paper. That's going to be the top of the little gloomy head. Put all my gloomy feelings inside. Wrap it around. This one I'll take the twisty. That might be easier for little fingers. And you can just twist it around. See how I did that? Just twist it around the top. And then you can take your marker and make a funny face. Squiggly mouth. I'm going to give him eyebrows on this one. There we go. And we're all set. Here's gloomy number 2, ready to hang on my tree. Or if I make a bunch of them, I can make a gloomy mobile. Have fun. Have happy fiestas, everybody. And welcome to Making History. We'll try something really fun next month. and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.